Hi future freelancers, welcome to day 4 of our freelancing journey. I'm Ayap Sharma, I'm student transformation mentor. If you want to become successful in the digital world, then definitely you need to be very much professionally present in all the online platforms. So we are going deep into what is the importance of professional online presence. If you're watching this video for the first time, go back and watch from day 1 to day 3 videos. Otherwise, you will not understand what we are talking in the day 4. Once you understood the different categories of skills that you have in the freelancing world and you understood your niche and micro niche. So what is the meaning of professional online presence? It means you are available everywhere in the social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. To be successful in the freelancing world, online presence is very, very important. I have divided this video into 4 sections. Section number 1. Creating the profiles in all the social media platforms. Section number 2, building or designing your online portfolio. Section number 3, creating your own website. Section number 4, how to build networking in online. Now let's start with section number 1, that is creating profile accounts in all the social media platforms. By this time, some of you already have the profile accounts in different social media platforms. If not so, you have to create your profile accounts in all the social media platforms. You need to start with the LinkedIn platform because that is very, very important for the freelancers. You need to create your profiles in LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You need to start your YouTube channel, and also you need to create your account in the Pinterest. All the successful freelancers says that the presence of freelancer in LinkedIn is very, very important because LinkedIn is such a platform where all the professionals will be there, all the clients will be there, customers will be there. It's a mediator between clients and freelancers. Then definitely you need to have the account in LinkedIn. Now let's move to section number 2, that is designing your portfolio. Once you have created your profile accounts in all the social media platforms, now it's a time for you to design your portfolio. Portfolio means how do you present in all these social media platforms, whether you present as a professional freelancer or as an unprofessional freelancer. Professional freelancer will have certain prerequisites, which means that you need to have a profile picture, you need to have a professional bio, you need to have the professional taglines. Now let's understand these 3 things one by one. What is the meaning of professional profile picture? Profile picture is very, very important. Whenever your client or customer looks at your profile, your portfolio, definitely they will look at your profile picture. You need to be visible for everyone, and your profile picture must be very much professional, and you cannot have unprofessional pictures. Professional pictures means if you are a male, then definitely you need to be in a formal attire, and also it may be like a suit or blazer, it's recommended. If you are a female, then definitely you need to be in formal attire. That is called as professional profile picture. You can see here, this is my profile picture. I just click on this one. Now this is the cover page, and this is my professional profile picture. So you need to have this kind of profile picture, which is very important because so many times I see in the notifications of LinkedIn saying that someone viewed your profile. So I will get in the LinkedIn messages saying that they want to serve me, or they are asking for certain kind of requirements from me. So that is the reason you need to have a very good profile picture as well as the back end cover page. So I have mentioned cover page, that is my book which is called Student to Entrepreneur, and that is I am showing as I am an author. So you can see that you have my complete name, and I have written in the bio what I am doing exactly is here. You can see on a mission of transformation of 1 million students to reach their desired and successful growth and dream career, and I am the founder of the company. I am a coach, trainer, and also I am best selling author in the Amazon. So I have these many followers, all these things. I have kept my website, company website, some contact information, all these things. So this is the advantage of having profile picture, that is professional way, as well as the bio. Once you have very good professional profile picture, now let's move on to the second thing which is very important, that is your professional bio. Bio means your biography, which means that what are the skills that you have and how you are serving others and to whom you are targeting, what are your expertise domains, what are the different skills you have, what exactly you are doing as a professional. All these things you have to mention in your bio, because whenever a customer or a client looks at your portfolio, then definitely they will look at your bio. The reason is bio will show you what are the skills that you have. The third important thing is your tagline. You need to mention your tagline maybe below your name or maybe in the bio, wherever it is possible in different types of social media platforms. You need to mention your taglines. Tagline means your quotation that will match your skill, that will match your niche. It could be anything. You need to work on the different types of categories of tags. You can take the help of online platforms like ChatGPT or Google. Anything you can take as a help and decide your tag. That will show the message from your side. website. Now let's move on to the section number 3, that is creating a website. I'm not saying that website is very much compulsory for the freelancer. It's not like that. It is not compulsory, it's a optional only. You can have the website so that it will give more value to the freelancer, because whenever any customer or clients looks at your bio in the social media platform, then definitely they will search for your website. So it will create more value to your skills. You can have website on your name. You can buy any domain name which is very much relevant to your name. You can have some tags from front and back of your name. Like that, you can create any domain name and you can buy this domain name in the online. And also creating website nowadays is very easy. Even school kids are creating websites. You can have the ready-made templates in different online platforms like wix.com, godaddy.com, and also wordpress.com. In different platforms, you can create your website as easy as possible, and it will not cost more than 4,000 to 5,000 per year, which includes all your domain as well as support subscription per year. It makes you more professional. Now let's move on to section number 4, that is networking. Networking is very important for the freelancer. The reason is you will not get the projects from a stranger customer or a client. They need to trust you. The trust builds only if you have done certain kind of projects in the past. Then only they can give freely so many projects. As a beginner in the freelancing, you need to have the networking so that you will get more and more projects and you are open for everyone. How do you build networking? So there are different ways you can build the networking. If you take the social media platforms, you can build networking very easily. Like for example, you take Facebook. In the Facebook, what are the element that is very important is Facebook groups and Facebook pages. You can like any Facebook page which is very much relevant to your niche, and you can join different types of groups which are very much related to your niche and micro niche. In this way, you will be among so many other like-minded people and you will get projects very easily. If you take the Instagram, you need to follow the different Instagram accounts who are the successful entrepreneurs, who are the successful freelancers, and they have certain requirements which is very much relevant to your niche and micro niche. Then if you follow them, then definitely they will revert back to you whenever it is possible and whenever they have certain requirement from your side. Sometimes you can send Instagram messages also saying that you are ready to serve for them. If you take YouTube, you can subscribe to different YouTube channels which are very much relevant to your skills and your niche. And finally, very important platform, that is LinkedIn for all the freelancers. You have to build the connections in the LinkedIn. You can send the connection request in the LinkedIn so that they will accept your connection request and also they will follow back. And whenever they are following back, then definitely they will look at your profile picture as well as your bio. Then that will increase your value in the freelancing world. And also there are very high chances that you get the projects from anywhere in the world. Finally, I am giving the action of the day, that is assignments for you. Today, if you have not created any profile account that we have discussed of different types of social media platform, then the first and foremost thing that you have to do is you need to create profile accounts in all the platforms, and also work on your bio, your profile picture, and also your taglines. If you did not have a professional profile picture, try to go to any photo studio in formal dress or in a professional attire, then take the different poses of photos and use those photos as your profile pictures in online platforms. With this, I am signing off for the day. Please mention in the comment section what are the different social media platforms accounts you have created today, and also like this video, share the video to all your friends, and do subscribe to the channel so that you get these series of videos every day. Thank you everyone.